Hello, my name is Romal J. Serna, and this is my answer for the activity 3 of Science, Technology, and Society. Ever since ancient times, science and technology have come together as a pair. Because of this, many inventions were made and many discoveries were uncovered by different people from different timelines. And now, science and technology has allowed society to merge together more efficiently and more communicatively. And here is a timeline of the 10 most significant inventions in history. I have chosen to explain the 10 significant inventions in world history because it is vast and rich with different diverse histories and inventions that have helped not just one country but the whole world in certain times. The first invention in my historical timeline are the stone tools, which are known to be the very first tools of humanity. This ranges from knives, daggers, swords, and hammers, which is used to hunt life, food sources, and to build infrastructure. The very first tools are known to be invented by our ancestors, which are the Australopithecus. In the 4000 BC, our ancestors have invented sailing or the navigation of sailors. This has allowed us to travel from land to land and to find new places to inhabit, and which started in the Nile River. This also had oars for navigation. In 850 CE, the alchemists in China have invented the very first gunpowder, which was initially used for life-extending elixirs. However, in recent times, it has been visible that gunpowder is used for artillery and weapons. In 1044, the compass was invented. This was first mentioned in a Chinese book which said in how Chinese soldiers found their way back when they used a magnetic fish-shaped knife object to illuminate their way when the sky was too cloudy. In 1250 to 1300, the first mechanical clocks were invented. These clocks were commonly found in churches to help the masses identify where the services will be marked. In the little recent times, the first railways of the world was invented in 1804. These railways have connected countries and cities and has helped transport many goods efficiently in any place of any country. In 1826 to 1827, the very first photograph was introduced by Nicéphore Niepce when he created an 8-hour-long exposure of his courtyard in his house. In the late 1800s, the first telephone was introduced. The first telephone call was made by Alexander Graham Bell when he called his assistant on March 10, 1876 and said, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." The first electric light was invented in 1879 by American inventor Thomas Edison when he first got a carbon filament light bulb to burn for 13 and a half hours. That first electric light bulb is the father of all the lights we use today. In 1937, Iowa State mathematician and physicist John Atanasoff invented the very first electric digital computer. The computer consisted of binary codes, which consisted of numbers, ones, and zeros. In 1939, they developed it with his student John Berry, and they first created the Atanasoff-Berry computer, which is also known as the ABC. And that is all for my historical timeline of inventions of world history. That is all, and I thank you.